How would you explain the Quran to a non-Muslim?
The Quran is the divine speech of Allah, which is unchanged.
Okay.
It is a way of life. It is the methodology of life. It is guidance for all of mankind. It is from the greatest mercy that Allah Ta'ala brought down to this universe. It is a book full of blessings. Rather, when we follow it and live by it, we'll attain those blessings. It is a challenge that Allah Ta'ala challenged all of mankind and jinkind with, to produce anything like it, and they never shall ever be able to do so. It is the most eloquent speech. It is the speech that you never get tired of reading and reciting. Rather, the more you recite it and you repeat it, the more beautiful it becomes. It is a speech that addresses the hearts. Not only addresses the hearts, but transforms the hearts. It is the speech that overpowers the limbs and makes the limbs submit, like it did to the Arabs of the Arabian Peninsula when they heard the Quran. It's the speech that changed the face of this universe, right? And it's speech that if you understand it, and you really open up your heart to it, it will change your life for the better. So that's the Quran.